What is up, everyone? Today we're going to be installing an LED underglow kit.
We're just testing it to see if it works, which it does. We're not going to have it connected there, we're going to have it connected to the battery. This is the kit Adam got online. Where did you get it from? eBay. Some basic stuff. Quick update, Adam's wired it up to the battery. We're just going to make it pretty. The white cable ties are not permanent, we're waiting to get some black ones, and then we're just going to clean the underneath of the car and get ready to put the underglow on. So Adam's put them on. What we've basically done, or what Adam's basically done, is he's drilled holes onto the side skirt and then he stuck it with double-sided tape, which he comes with, but because it's from eBay, it doesn't stick properly, so that's why he's drilled holes, so he can use the zip ties to kind of keep it intact. Done the front, the sides. Now we've run into a little problem in the back. It's a little bit difficult to do the back, and that's why a lot of people don't do the back. We've wired it or zip tied it to the sway bar. Adam does not recommend you do that because of how close it is to the exhaust. We're going to try and see how it is today, and if we feel like it's getting too hot, we're just going to cut off and run without having that back. That's what the back looks like. Let me show you around. It's light, daylight, so you won't be able to see it too rust underneath. And that's the front.
I'll make another video at night time and do a little walk around so you guys can see what it looks like that.